So we're coming around on our circle. We'll do 1 and 6. And 2 and 1. And I told y'all the wrong stitch. There's 96 on this round. And slip stitch, join in the top of that beginning double crochet. Give your edges a little tug. And then to do your next round, you just begin at the same and do another increase. So beginning double crochet in that space. Beginning double crochet in the space, doing a single crochet and single crochet. Now 1 and 6. Now 2 and 1. And then 1 and 7. I'll catch you on the other side again. It's 1 and 7, 2 and 1.